You can't manage what you can't see. Today, we are doing a complete deep dive into ServiceNow Discovery for software asset management. This is the foundation that everything else in SAM Pro is built upon. SAM Pro relies entirely on accurate installation data. If your discovery is incomplete or inaccurate, your compliance reports will be wrong, your optimization recommendations will be misleading, and your audit defense will crumble. ServiceNow offers its own native discovery tool, which uses agentless probes to scan your network. It connects via SSH for Linux and WMI for Windows to discover hardware, software, and relationships between configuration items. Native Discovery is fantastic for servers, databases, and network infrastructure. It provides deep, detailed information about what's running on each server, including processes, services, and installed software packages. However, for end-user laptops and desktops, agentless discovery has limitations. Laptops go offline, connect to VPNs, and move between networks. You need agent-based tools to capture this data reliably. That's why you must integrate third-party discovery sources. The most common are Microsoft SCCM, now called Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, Microsoft Intune for cloud-managed devices, and Flexera for comprehensive software recognition. ServiceNow has a built-in service graph connector for SCCM. This pulls in hardware inventory, software inventory, and metering data directly into the CMDB. It's the most popular integration for Windows-heavy environments. For modern, remote workforces, you should also integrate Microsoft Intune. Intune manages cloud-enrolled devices and provides software inventory for laptops that never connect to the corporate network directly. If you have Mac computers, integrate Jamf. If you use VMware Workspace ONE, integrate that too. The goal is to have every single device in your environment reporting software inventory into ServiceNow. When you have multiple discovery sources, you will inevitably get duplicate records. The same laptop might appear from SCCM, Intune, and Native Discovery. This creates chaos in your CMDB if not handled properly. To fix this, you must configure the Identification and Reconciliation Engine, or IRE. This is ServiceNow's built-in deduplication engine that merges records from multiple sources into a single, authoritative configuration item. The IRE uses identifier rules, like MAC address or serial number, to match records. When it finds a match, it merges the data. When it doesn't, it creates a new CI. Getting these rules right is critical for data accuracy. You also need to set up data source precedence. If SCCM says a laptop has 16 gigs of RAM but Intune says 8, which one wins? Data source precedence rules determine which source is trusted for each attribute. Usually, you trust Native Discovery for server attributes, SCCM for desktop hardware details, and Intune for cloud-managed device compliance status. Set these precedence rules carefully based on your environment. Once the raw data is in the software installations table, the content library normalizes it. Raw strings like Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019x64 get mapped to clean software models that SAM Pro can reconcile against entitlements. Monitor your discovery logs daily. A failed credential, a firewall change, or a network segmentation update can silently break discovery. Set up alerts for discovery failures so you catch problems before they impact your SAM data. Perfect your discovery, and your SAM practice will thrive. Subscribe to Shub the Licensed Nerd for more deep dives into ServiceNow SAM Pro. Hit that bell icon and I'll see you in the next one.